Now, responsibility. When it comes to responsibility cannot be, somebody cannot be held responsible. Nobody is responsible for anybody. ये एकदम प्रिलिमिनरी बेसिक थॉट है, ठीक है. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेने से होता है, ऐसा कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बाय डिफॉल्ट, देयर इज नथिंग इन एग्जिस्टेंस एज सच responsibility by default. Nothing in nature or nothing in existence says that you are responsible by default. Responsibility is an nurtured or learned affair. It's a part of civilization. In a civilized world, through societal pressure or whatever, the family structure, how rules and regulations have been formed, responsibilities are shared. Now coming back to the fact कि her parents are suffering right now. The suffering part of her parents is their choice purely. She could be the reason. She could be a reason that they are aging faster, in the sense, like when I say aging faster, it could mean that in few months or few years that she hasn't taken care of, they have had emotional setback from her daughter. So in that stance, I am saying that they would have aged faster. She could be the reason, she could be all the reason, but again the onus lies on the parents, because in a similar situation, just imagine there could be some other parent where a similar incident or a similar pattern of response would have been received from a son or a daughter, but their parents would be totally okay with it. So it's not a universal reaction, not that all parents will suffer in the same way. Parents का health वो अपना responsibility है, because now the fact that she is suffering, she has that guilt feeling that I have not done enough for me, which is killing her softly. That is caused by her feeling of guilt. वो victim mentality हो रहा है. Maybe it's an emotional discussion that their parents have thrown onto her or whatever. Like it could be her internal voices that are telling that she could have done it better. But suffering at both ends is her choice. Nobody is responsible for anybody on planet Earth. Nobody as such. I am speaking from the point of view of spirituality right now. ठीक है, at a material level, at a व्यवहारिक level, at the level at the families are operating, or at a level where family systems of a daughter and a father exist, at that level it's completely, it totally depends upon the individual's involvement in each other's life. It cannot be forced, it cannot be let's say it cannot be forced, and nothing, like nobody owes anybody anything. So that again and again needs to be reinstated. On the spiritual level, if you're feeling that you are gonna suffer there because they are suffering, you will suffer, let's say in the form of a karmic debt of a daughter. That's not going to happen. That's not going to happen, because suffering for her was her mother's choice. It's like then Narendra Modi or like a Donald Trump will suffer for the country is suffering. Billions of people are suffering. Does Narendra Modi or a Donald Trump will suffer a karmic just because something else is happening in the country? वो कभी वैसे balance transfer in karma doesn't happen that way. It's just an emotional gameplay that people play. That's completely fine at the material level, at the व्यवहारिक level. But at the absolute level, even if you go through that entire PLR process, जहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि why are you going through something? It is not because of the others. It's the narrative that you have told yourself. This I told you even in the morning class. It's all about you are suffering your narrative. That मेरी बेटी को ऐसा करना चाहिए था, इसीलिए हम लोग तो अभी बहुत दुखी है. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. वो एक इमोशनल प्लग है that parents will use. Okay, we are your elders, we have taken care of you when you were growing up, now it's tit for tat, now you have to do it in exchange of it. But that's it. उसका कोई स्पिरिचुअल सिग्निफिकेंस नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट अ गुड जेस्चर टू डू इट, बट इफ यू थिंक दैट यू आर गोना सफर बिकॉज ऑफ इट, नो. And you can end your suffering right now. If you can end your suffering right now, if you stop blaming yourself for whatever your parents are going through. Otherwise, this is a never ending chain of cause and effect. Their parents are suffering, वो सफ़र कर रहे हैं, एंड ऑफ स्टोरी. इसमें कुछ भी, इसमें देर इज़ नो मोरालिटी आउट हियर, देर इज़ नो डूज एंड डोंट्स. सफरिंग इज़ देयर चॉइस, एंड ऑफ स्टोरी. पेन का कुछ भी रीज़न हो सकता है, वो बेटी देखी नहीं देखी, बेटी नहीं होते, कुछ भी और होता. इट्स टोटली देयर चॉइस. व्हेन वी से द पेरेंट्स लव देयर चिल्ड्रन अनकंडीशनली, तब तो इस प्रेमाइस में अनकंडीशनली तो हो नहीं रहा है. देन इट्स अ एक्सचेंज ऑफर दैट वी डिड हेंस यू डू. तो वेयर डू यू सी दैट अनकंडीशनैलिटी आउट हियर? सो there is nothing to feel guilty about it. She can be just be fine. You, like, if I'm answering you or somebody addressing directly, she can be totally okay, be totally detached with the outcomes or whatever damage has been done so far. But सबको अपना अपना देखना है यहाँ पे. nobody is responsible anybody else. आप कितना भी blame game खेल लो, you can keep on playing the blame game till the end of your life. But that's not how existence functions. Am I clear on that? ये तो बात clear है. This is how spiritually it functions.